Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Make. In today's video we are going to make polygon shape patterns on a sheet in Solidworks sheet metal. We will use some of the essential commands and features to bring our sketch to design life. We will also customize appearance to give our design a professional look. We'll see the section views of our design in different planes. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part. Click OK. Now go to the Sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the Circle command and draw 100 mm diameter circle on the origin point like this. Click OK. Go to the Features. Click on Extruded Boss command. Select Hermit plane. Give the extrusion value as 300 mm. Select Thin feature. Give the thickness as for millimeters, click OK. Make it normal. Zoom it. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Zoom a little. Now take the Center Rectangle command. And draw a rectangle here on circle quadrant like this. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command. Give the length to this line as 2 mm. Click OK. Give the height to this line as 13 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Select center point of rectangle. Hold Ctrl or Shift button and select the origin point. Make them vertical. Click OK. Our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features. Click on Extruded Cut command, or go to the Sheet Metal. Click Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Make it normal. Zoom it like this. Click on Insert Bends command. Select this edge. Click OK. Make it normal, press Ctrl+7. Go to the Visual Styles. Inactive the Real Graphic mode. Now take the Unfold command. Zoom in. Select this edge. Then click Collect All Bends. Click OK. Make it normal, press Ctrl+7 button. Now go to the Features. Click on Fill Pattern. Click here and select this surface. Select Square Shape. Scroll down. Choose Create Seed Cut. Select Polygon Shape. Give here 6 sides polygon. Give the outer radius as 7 mm. Give the inner radius as 6.06 mm. Scroll up. Give the horizontal space between patterns as 20 mm. Here give the vertical space as 20 mm. Click OK. Here we see we have created polygon shape holes on the sheet surface. It looks perfect and amazing. Now go to the sheet metal. Click on Fold. Here the edge is already selected. Here just click on Collect All Bends. Click OK. Make it normal. Here we see we have folded the sheet perfectly. Now go to the Visual Styles and enable Real View Graphic mode. Go to the appearance. Click Metal. Click on Steel and choose the burnished steel. Here we see it looks amazing with this appearance. Now go to the material. Click Edit Material. Click on Steel. Scroll down. Choose the stainless steel. Click Apply. Click Close. Click on Section View. Absorb the different section views one by one like this. Choose the top view. Click OK. Now click on Right Plane View. Click OK. Here we see we can make section views of a model easily. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.